Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to Sony A7V. Sony is about to change the game again. The A7V is coming, and if these leaks are real, this might be the most powerful hybrid camera ever made. Introduction trusted sources say this beast is packing a 44 MP sensor, 4K 120 frames per second video, and AI autofocus that's basically cheating. Whether you're a photographer, filmmaker, or hybrid shooter, this could be your dream machine. The big reveal. Launch and pricing. Sony's dropping the A7V in late 2025 with shipments early 2026. Price? Expect $3,000 to $3,500, way cheaper than the Alpha one, but packing flagship killer specs. Sensor and image quality, next level detail, 44 MP BSI CMOS sensor up from 33 MP in the A7 IV. Insane low-light performance. Sony's new AI noise reduction equals where are the grains? Vivid dynamic range straight out of camera colors that pop. AI-powered autofocus. It never misses real-time AI tracking eyes. Animals. Cars, even if they're moving at 100 miles per hour, 120 frames per second burst mode. Wildlife and sports shooters. This is your cheat auto framing for vloggers. Video beast mode cinematic 4K 120 FPS, 4K 120 frames per second and no crop, 4K 60 frames per second slight crop, still sharper than most cinema cameras, fully articulating touchscreen, 9.44 DOT build, and durability built for war. Weather sealed and rugged, improved grip, no more hand cramps on long shoots. Dual slots CF Express plus SD, no more card full disasters. Who needs this camera? Be hybrid shooters, elite photos, plus pro video in one body. Vloggers and filmmakers, 4K 120 frames per second plus flip screen equals game over. Sports / wildlife pros, 120 frames per second burst. Goodbye. Missed shots. A7 IV owners, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Final verdict worth the hype? If Sony delivers even half of these specs, the A7V could dominate the hybrid camera market. It's faster, smarter, and sharper than anything in its price range. The only question is, can you wait? Are you hyped for the A7V? Smash that like button, drop your predictions in the comments, and subscribe will be first to test it when it drops.